All right. Initial unboxing of the Bambu A1 Mini. As performed by Snooki from Jersey Choice.
Oh my lord! How much stinking tape do they need on here? All of it.
Turn it down. You're going to get me copyright struck.
Your
There's my dog in the background.
Yeah, she gave me stank face.
Stank facing everybody.
They taped the.
There should
They
be.
taped the bags to the box.
Well, there's more than one box in there. There's the thing, there's the free gift, and then there should be one roll of string.
A free gift.
I know it's redundant to say that. Get over it. So look, a little box of goodies to get you hooked. The first one's free, and you pay for the rest of them.
Is there any chocolate among the goodies?
No. I don't. Actually, it didn't say, so maybe there is. It was like it's a secret what they are. I'll never figure it out.
I call dibs on box when you're done.
Oh my God! It's Brad Pitt's wife.
How's it for? Wait, she's weird looking. Ooh. Oh, this has parts in it. We can't lose that. Hand it here. Yeah, that one has parts in it.
Look at all the stuff.
Where do you plan on putting the dining room table?
Don't be asking questions right now while we're unboxing. Some assembly required, but not much. All right, now where's the box of spool? I bought a spool.
Box. I'm gonna run away with this box.
Was there another box over there somewhere? A smaller box, maybe?
Mm-mm.
There's supposed to be a spool of, no.
Dang it!
Maybe it'll be shipped separate. I don't know.
Don't fit.
Well, it should have a
Do
separate.
you want me to open this on camera?
I'm not
Do you
ready
know
for
what
that
this
yet.
is?
Nope, don't. It's probably screwdriver. Oh, yeah, I do know what that is. That's a toolkit.
That box is mine now.
So much plastic.
Yes.
All I'm getting is your back.
Plastic. What's your point?
All I'm getting is your back. Unboxing is easy. That's the sample it comes with. So you can test print something. But I bought an actual reel with it too, and I don't see it. Unless that's it jammed in the middle.
That won't fit through the door.
No. Hannah, not right now, baby.
Really?
Quick start directions and stuff.
All right, so
I'm scared to take
Comes
the
with
rest
the dry.
of the foam off.
why? The foam is just there. The thing's bolted together. It's not going to move.
It's not,
No, anything that moves is going to have to be unbolted.
except that.
Don't ask me what that is. I don't know. This is my first new excursion into 3D territory. And it looks like I need to go on the website and figure out where my spool of...
That's the only thing I can think of is that it's being shipped separately.
Well,
A mouse?
why does it have a mouse? I don't know.
I want a mouse.
That's weird.
Actual mice are only good for two things: training your cats to hunt mice and feeding snakes.
Not that kind of mouse. I mean, like the.
All right, just for anyone that doesn't know, apparently there's an app for your phone, and this can connect to your phone. You don't even need a computer with it. I plan on using it with a computer. Yeah, this bracket right here has to be unbolted and removed. Which is what's in the toolkit. It's got tools to take it apart with. And then
There's
cut that
more
zip
styrofoam here, but
there's a zip tie that's got to be cut. More styrofoam. This is a digital screen with what it's doing on it. You had scissors on you, of course you did.
Yes.
No, not that one. Just kidding, go ahead.
Not the red wire.
What does the red wire do?
I'm trying not to get hit in the face.
Nobody knows because everyone that cut it is dead now. All right, well, there you have it, people. I'm not going to bore you with the foam removal that's going to happen here. I'm going to get online and figure out where the rest of my stuff is.
And then
John
test
out.
it.
And then test it. Be back in a little. There she goes, opening without... Go ahead. I'm ready now. Camera's pointed over there. This should be a toolkit, I believe.
Yes.
They don't give me a box anymore, them cheap
Lubricant
sons of bitches.
grease and...
They probably want you to print the case for the tools, too. All right, whatever.
That was the tiniest little Allen key I've ever seen in my damn life.
All right, is there there should have been a bigger one to take that back plate
There's
off with.
this one, and then this one here is
What's
a
in that
bigger
box?
one. And then there's this thing that looks like a weird little cleaning tool.
What's in that box?
I don't, it says a mouse, wireless mouse components kit -002. And then there's a QR code that says scan QR code with Bambu handy to print.
You print the mouse, it's the guts.
That's what I'm thinking.
If that's got circuit boards in it.
It's the guts for the mouse. You gotta print your own mouse. That's great.
That's exactly what it is.
It comes with a printable mouse. That's very weird.
That's great. Ooh, can I have one?
Well, it's only got one inside kit.
Well, I'll buy the guts for it and stuff.
I don't know.
But yeah,
Okay, that was interesting.
and that's what it's supposed to look like.
Back later. Well, it ain't gonna look like it. I don't have any black. But apparently I don't have any white right now either. All right, step one after unboxing all that foam and stuff off of it is to take this clamp off of it. It's got a couple different screws in it. And there's 2 more screws in the back. And that's off. All right, next step, I've got it up on its side. Got to tighten this screw, and that screw. Next step is get a screw out of this bag and then attach this. This is the purge wiper. So as you can see, it's grooved, and it just comes from the back side, slides on the bottom like that. Now I got to put the screw in it. I'm not going to film that. Okay, this is kind of cool. The bags are actually labeled. So this bag says for scraper. These 2 screws are for spool holder, and this one for purge wiper. So now I have no doubt about what screw goes where. That's a pretty good design feature. All right, the next step is going to reuse these screws that the bracket came out of, and this will get screwed on there like this. It'll leave a bevel, and then the spool will slide onto it like this. I believe. Maybe it goes down sideways from the bottom. That way. That's how it goes. Goes like that. I think it sure goes on there tight when it's on there. Let's see. Looks like it should go all the way, so maybe I just need to pound. Oh, I see. I don't have that screw tight yet. Whoops, that thread lock threw me off. I don't know why they couldn't use normal screws, but whatever. All right, that bottom screw's tight. Top screw is tight. Let's try this again. Much better. All right, it's plugged in. I took some plastic tips off the charging cord and untied a zip tie off of it. Now all I got to do is turn this thing on. There's a switch on the back. I see a light. Interesting. English. North America. Must be for time zones, maybe? All right, I'm not going to film me connected to my Wi-Fi. I'll be back in a minute. All right, I'm on my network. I'm on my network, and now it wants me to scan a QR code to pair it with my phone's handy app. I don't have that installed yet, and I can't do that while recording, so that's going to be off camera also. All right, that's done. I'm paired up. Can I get the light on? Alexa, turn off the dining room lights.
Okay.
It's better. So the next step is to calibrate it. Apparently this takes a while. I'll let you see it starting. Home Z-axis. Home all axis. That's cool. It's learning itself. It has noise cancellation. That's interesting. And we'll come back later. Anyway, I'm new to the 3D printer stuff, but there's a couple of features to this printer that make it especially useful for newbies, such as myself. The mobile app sizes everything for your printer. It's got a selector on it. And this printer has a leveling mechanism on the print bed, so it'll always be flat unless, I suppose, you get the printer out of tolerance or you've tilted it too far. Other than that, like I said, I'm no pro, but it says here it also has active noise cancellation, so it's currently learning the waveform of its own noise so it can reverse it. I'm actually scared to talk during it doing it. Now it's moved on to the next thing. All right, we are done with this noise cancellation. Now we are doing automatic bed leveling. That's going to take about 2 minutes. Okay, that's done. Now it wants me to lubricate the rails. So I'll do that. I got to follow the barcode to learn how, though. All right, I'm printing a Christmas ornament for hanging on a tree. It's pretty well the only thing that's compatible with the device so far in the labs. I'm gonna have to create my own models apparently to do what I want. I was trying to print some Christmas clips and none of them have setups for this printer with them. Anyway, I may not even have enough filament for this, but I'm gonna give it that old Cambridge try, as they say. Anyway, so it threw out a lot of waste at the beginning. I'm surprised how much, actually, considering it's a single layer, and it also even smeared some on there. It heated up, cooled down, then it heated up again. I don't know if that's normal. I guess it is. This is all new to me. Anyway, I'm hoping this turns out pretty good. Even if it's not fully thick as it ought to be, it should be good enough to hang on a tree. That's all I got, and I'll get a video of it when it's done. There you have it, guys. This is the result of the 3D print. It's pretty substantial. I've been flexing on it, bending on it. It is not brittle at all. This would make a great addition to anyone's tree. And the size of it, they have a desktop software, and I could print 4 of these at once. I believe this took about 50 minutes to print, but it didn't use much filament at all. Anyway, that's a good start for the use of my 3D printer, and I plan on getting my money's worth out of it. Anyway, John's out. See you in the next video.